Hello everybody, I'm Lasman Saputra. I'm from Universitas Methodist of Indonesia, and on this occasion I would like to tell you about my research entitled An Analysis of Metaphor in Plainchant Song. Okay, the first chapter we got the background of the study. The first we must review of the area being researched, and next we got the information surrounding the song lyric, and we must see the previous studies on the issues, and last is the relevant history in the lyric issues. And from that all we can know that language is the principal method of human communication, consisting of words using in a structured and conventional way and conveyed by speech, writing, or gesture. Song lyric is some word from the composer to express their creativity of making a song. The second point, we got the problem of the study. In this part, we must know the statement about an area in concern, and after that, we must identify the condition to be improved and see the difficulty, some of the eliminate source, and the last we must troubling the question that exists, and from that things we can get the point that the problems of the study, that is the first, what are the types of the metaphor used in Plainchant song. The second, what are the meaning of the metaphors used in Plainchant song. Okay, the third point we got the objective of the study. The first we must describe what should we expect to achieve, and then we should link with a statement of purpose in a study. Next, we can find out the metaphorical expression in the Plainchant song. And the last, we can convey the meaning of the Plainchant song. The fourth point, we can get the scope of the study. The first scope in the study is that explains the extent to which the research are gonna be explored in the work, and next we specifies the parameters within the study will be operating, and the last is we define that the study is going to be covered. So from that all we can know that the research focus in the lyric, which is explained by metaphors language. The fifth point, we get the significance of the study. In this part we must explaining why our research was needed and justification of the importance of your work and impact it has on your research field, and the last week contribution to new language. By analyzing the theory, the writer expect the reader able to know what is Plainchant song mean, have better understanding what about the song. Okay, next the second chapter we got the theoretical framework. Previous research. There are some previous research of metaphors which is related to metaphor in the song and music. In order to avoid the similar corpus and explanation, there should be a review of previous research. The following is other related research that the researcher had read. First, the journal was done by Sylvia Nelil Kamalia. Linguistic major at English Linguistic Song Program. The title of this research is Conceptual Metaphor in Milo Xyloto, album by Nicki Minaj. The aim of this research is to find out what the dominant conceptual metaphor used in the song lyric. The qualitative method, especially a case study, is used. The result of this study is conceptual metaphor used in Milo Xyloto, dominantly about life, changes, and love. Those include life is journey, change are movement, purpose are destination, love is unity, love is war, love is struggle, states are location, and less is down. This research only focus on the dominant conceptual metaphor, which is belong to structural metaphor. This is different from what the writer studies, because the writer analyzed the type of the metaphorical expression, not only structural metaphor but also the three types of metaphor. Second, the research has been done by Azab work. The aim of this research is to know the dominant of metaphorical expression which is contained in the song lyric, to find the most dominant of source dominant which is contained in the song lyric. Moreover, the method of this research is qualitative method. The result of this research show that the dominant of metaphorical expression in the song lyric of using figurative in speech of metaphor where a thing expressed through the other concept without using word like as. This research also show that the most dominant of search domain which contains in Plainjin song is search domain of animal. There are 8 songs using a metaphor of animal from 9 songs that have been analyzed. This is different from what the writer studies. The writer analyzed that the dominant type used in the song lyric based on the type of metaphor by Nicki Minaj. Third, research on metaphor has been done by Azaverk, entitled Metaphor on the Song Lyric of Enka in Bosto Hito Daizensu. The research published in America. The aim of this research is to find out the metaphor which contains the song lyric of Enka and to find out background of this using the metaphor. The method used in this research is qualitative method to analyze the data. While the result of this research, the researcher will find the metaphor. Those include life is journey, suffering is uphill road, suffering is rain or wine, suffering is cold, suffering is language, happiness is blooming flower, happiness is sun, happiness is spring, happiness is sunny day, sadness is fall, flowers, lover is flower. Furthermore, background of the using the metaphor related to experience of Japanese with the environment, America, culture, seen from the background of using the metaphor, proximity of America people with nature, there is sensitivity, aware, and the concept of impermanence, mujo, this. And the next, metaphor in semantic. Classical metaphor theory originates in Aristotle's fundamental work, Poetics and Rhetoric. Aristoteles defined the application of a strange term either transferred from the genus and applied to the species of the species applied to genus, or from the one species to another, or else by analogy. According to metaphor is essential for philosophy as a means of persuasion in order to gain influence in the political sphere. Metaphor also played a key role in theatrical art and a tragic poetry, where it is widely used to express and describe human emotion and action. Thus, metaphor is useful for philosophy as it makes one's speech clear and brings into elegance and style. And then conceptual metaphor. Conceptual metaphor theory is a theory of metaphor developed by Plainjin. The basic of idea is that metaphor is essentially a relation between conceptual domains, whereby ways of talking about one domain, the source domain, can be applied to another domain, the target domain, by virtue or correspondence or mapping between the two. Typically, the source domain relatively familiar and conceptually well structured, and the structures are used to articulate the target domain. In the case of the well-established metaphor, the correspondence are held to be permanently laid down in the cognitive system. By this theory, metaphor is not tied to particular linguistic expression. A given conceptual metaphor can, in principle, underlie any number of metaphorical expressions, some of which may be conventionalist, others not. An example of conceptual metaphor, life is journey. The third chapter is research finding. We got data description. The data used in this research is song lyric by Plain Jane Song. All the song lyrics are read carefully with the writer takes 27 stanza which contain metaphor taken from 4 songs: American Idiot, Of Suburbia, Holiday, and Boulevard of Broken Dream. The data is classified according to legs of category of the metaphor: structural metaphor, orientational metaphor, and ontological metaphor. The writer analyzed the lyric in each stanza. The title will be quote, and the lyric will be quote also. A lyric will be attached. And the next, finding and discussion. The song consists of 7 stanza. The stanza that analyzed are 1.2 and 4. Another stanza are repetition. The first stanza, don't wanna be an American idiot. The second, don't wanna a nation under a new media. The third, and can you hear sound of hysteria? The fourth, subliminal mind fuck America. The context of this stanza show about the rejection of the control by a new media. Lyrics, don't wanna be American idiot, don't wanna be ED, a national under a new media. From this lyric, creator wants to show unwillingness of being idiot. There is metaphor under the new media in the lyric. Don't want a nation under the new media. The metaphor is original metaphor that is marked by the word under which show a negative nuance, meaning that a person is controlled by other. The expression of sound is hysteria belongs to structural metaphor because the concept sound of hysteria is conceptual as a shout. In this case, shout is the search domain implicitly and hysteria is a target domain. Here the metaphorical expression hysteria is used to represent society, which society is the people that has unusual voice because of anger. Shout and hysteria are two things that have different conceptual domain. Therefore, there is cross-domain conceptual mapping. Shout is hysteria. Furthermore, subliminal mind in the lyrics, the subliminal mind fuck America, is viewed as an alive entity. The word subliminal mind show personification. Personification, according Lakoff and Johnson, belong to the category of ontological metaphor. The metaphorical expression sound of hysteria here does not literally mean the voice of hysteria, but the voice of society. Based on the context, sound of hysteria means the gulf of the society. Okay guys, that's all about my research. Thank you.